In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Rithmic to Sierra Chart. Now, to use the Rithmic trading platform service, you first need to have an account with a broker or a trading service which actually does support the Rithmic trading platform, okay? And then also that broker or that trading service must support Sierra Chart as well. So I'll show you what I mean in just a few seconds. Now, your broker will provide you with the necessary Rithmic connection information, and then you will need that from them before you can proceed. Now, this will usually consist of a username and a password for your Rithmic account. Now, make sure your broker or trading service provides you a trading account identifier, username and password less than or equal to 31 characters. Okay, this is very important, and this is also said on the Sierra Chart website. So to go ahead, of course, when you have those information, you want to go ahead and open up Sierra Chart, and then here you want to select the global settings up top, and you want to click on where it says data/trade service settings. In here, what you then have to do is basically inside these main settings, so click on main settings, where it says current selected service, you want to click on over here and select Rithmic Direct DTC. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. And then whenever you do this over here, you'll be able to find a service list. So the first thing you got to do is click on apply all over here, and then it's going to pop up some things. Press yes, there we go, apply all, and then here there's going to be the server list. Now this is very important. What you're going to have to do here is basically find your relevant broker, or of course whatever you are using. Okay, so here you can just go ahead and find the one that's of course relevant to you. So for example, if I go up here and let's say I am on, I don't know, let's say Bullinox, I'm going to click on this one, and then after you do that, click on apply all, and then you're going to have to put in your trading username and then the password, and of course your market data username, market data password, historical, etc. So of course all of that, the things you have, make sure you actually do that and actually put in all the things required over here. And then you can just pretty much go ahead, click on apply all and press OK. Currently I don't have the username and password, so I can't show you, but this is how you basically connect. And then after that's done, you want to go to up top here, and then if you want to change anything at any point, you can go ahead and just click on over here and change those settings. Okay, now if your data feed is not connected automatically, you could go to file, top left, and click on connect data feed, and what this is going to do is it's going to connect you. But if there are any errors and you cannot troubleshoot them, what you can do is you can try contacting support and then of course getting the information on that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.